I am Gail Hoover, and I'm the founder of the Gail Hoover Foundation. It is something that just grew. We're raising money for charity.
I love the fact that we're not fighting with other organizations. We're helping them. If they have a need that they're not sure that falls under their umbrella, it falls under our umbrella. We can help fill that hole, that safety net in the Lehigh Valley, knowing that there is a safety network in place that can help you. If you don't know where to go to, the Gail Hoover Foundation has you covered.
This is the concept, which I think should be in every city in America.
For Gail, I'll do anything. She's such a sweet person, and she gives so much of her heart to the community and doesn't look for anything in return. She's always trying to do something for others and trying to give back to the community. And she just comes right in, she just takes you in, and she loves you for who you are, and she's always trying to do something for the people around her.
I love Gail, and I know what she's done and her track record of helping all the different communities throughout the Lehigh Valley.
We, in 3 short years, have provided emergency oxygen kits for pets to the entire Lehigh Valley. Everybody wants to pigeonhole what sort of nonprofit this will be. And I don't want to be that laser focused. I want us to raise money and do some good work.
Gail is a personal friend of mine. We've known each other for a number of years. I'm very happy and honored to be able to support her foundation. This evening we provided a round-trip limo service in our Tesla Model X. It includes a dinner for 2.
The opportunity that has been put in front of me is it's mind-blowing. It is humbling. It is absolutely amazing the amount of support that has come throughout all of these years for the birthday bash.